Hello, in this video I want to mount in this kitchen a long linear LED light. An important argument to install this strip is that it's energy saving. Not only because it's LED, because also the main light in the kitchen is LED, but this strip is much more local. So you have the light where you work, and that's also a kind of energy saving. So here you see it. And then this rail is not long enough, so we have to add a little piece here. And what you see is this aluminium rail, which is to cool this strip of LEDs, because the density is so high that it has to be cooled. And then you see the profile. It is square, so it is an angle, and here you have 45 degrees. And we will apply the profile in this way here. And then we will close it with this plastic strip. I bought this complete set of plug, wire and switch, so that will be much easier. Here you have the terminals. Here are the holders to screw it on the cupboard from this side with this hole. And then you clip it, so you put it in this way. And this is then the 24 volts power supply. And you see here it is 40 volt. That's enough for this strip. Of course I want to try it out before I mount everything. So let's do it. The strip is starting here, and here you see also the first LEDs. And red goes to the plus and black goes to the minus. So, and there we go. Yes, it gives a lot of light. It's also a nice color. Not too warm and not too cold. So that functions. And now we can connect, we can fix the profile in the kitchen. So what I do first is I take this piece of 2 meters, then I see where it arrives here. So, and then you have also to find the right screw. So, and now you must apply the profile. That goes better. You must push it first in the lower side and then in the upper side. And now in some way we must also make this transition smooth. Maybe a good way is to put this little cover, not here, but we put this cover here on the start. Then we go there and then we put the small piece, put at the end. So let's start to apply it. We take the paper strip away. Don't be afraid, you just line up from far already. From at the left hand you line it already inside the profile, so that the direction is always okay. And remember, you must stick it well to the aluminium profile, because the aluminium will be the cooler. So I have to apply this more or less here, so that this wire will fit here. So here are the sleeves for the screws, and here. And here you see also that the screw is not too long. So this is fixed. And now we connect it. Now it's the time to apply the cover. Okay, there we go. That's not difficult.
Oh, che bellissimo! Una luce intensa, meravigliosa, splendida, tutt'altro modo lavorare così.
So now the transformer hidden by the microwave oven. Here's the switch. Let's see now the application of the 12-volt battery. I took now the light one because it's just portable, and in combination with the 24-volt DC transformer, we try the LED strip, which we know it's at 24 volt. So we took these connections from this DC supply and we put it on the 24 volt output of this transformer from 12 volt to 24 volt. And now we are measuring the current, and we look if it's, let's see what happens. A little spark. And we see nearly 3 ampere. Yeah, it's now 3 ampere. And that means with the 12 volt we are at 36 watt, which the battery is now delivering. By the way, I tried it also directly on the battery, but that doesn't work. We had already the materials at home, but you can find similar materials as I used on Amazon. I chose them with care and you can find them in the description. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you succeeded. I am especially interested to know if this solution is appreciated also in the developing countries. I wish you good energy.